This is intelligence for your life.
The WJJR studios are sponsored by G-Stone Motors Incorporated, located at 36 Boardman Street, Middlebury, Vermont, or online at gstonemotors.com.
Get ready for the ultimate coffee experience at Speakeasy Cafe. They've moved to a fantastic new location at 31 Center Street. Indulge in an expanded breakfast menu featuring mouth-watering specialty lattes and flaky biscuits that will leave you craving more. Dive into a world of rich coffee, exquisite teas, velvety espressos, and delectable baked goods. All in a cozy, relaxing atmosphere. Visit SpeakeasyCafe.net to check out the menu or place an order. Elevate your coffee game at Speakeasy Cafe, where every sip is a celebration. At 31 Center Street in Ratlenda.
At Godnick's Grand Furniture, our mission is to provide high-quality furniture at the best prices in the region. We're committed to selling top brands with reputations to match. To that end, we need to make room for a future 4,000 square foot lazy boy gallery. We're on a mission to clear out an entire floor of our